I just want to give you an update on how to do basic solar with the solar generator that I did in an earlier video. On the earlier video, I talked about how great it is for using it as a stored energy source. And now I'm going to show you one of the methods. There's many methods of charging it using solar. This is the setup that I have. First, let's take a look. Here is the battery bank that we looked at yesterday. And as I mentioned in the video, we have these Anderson power poles, so you can charge it with that. That's what I prefer. It takes a special tool to make these, but they're great because you can do any low voltage wiring with them. This is the actual input if you were going to use their system, as far as bought the solar panels that come with this unit. And some other units also have this, so you can charge that way. So the way I have it hooked up is I have it coming from each one of these solar panels that I have. I bought these at these are a different brand. Both of them are tied in sequence. So I have them coming from there, and it comes from here, this one. And then I have them connected with one of these PowerWorks connectors. I got, since I'm a ham radio person, I use these a lot. And that way you can just plug it in, so the power going in, and then it comes out, then it goes out here, and then it plugs into there. So it's charging that. And then we can take a look at it. And then there you can see right now the input, it's 103 watts coming in. It's 87% charged. It was just probably not even 5 minutes ago, it was at 88% or 85%, and now it's at 87. So that's basically how a charger works. I thought you'd really appreciate seeing, how you can charge these. And the way I look at it is, during the day you charge. At night you use your battery. So you can keep this going, and I have 200 watts charging it, so it charges fairly quickly. But that way all day you charge it, at night you can use it. So thanks for your time. This is Normal Prepping, and I'm Wayne. Thank you. Bye.